In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link GCash to Grab. This process is straightforward and will make your transactions smoother and more efficient. Let's get started by opening the Grab app on your device. This is your first step into linking your GCash account. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your account settings. Once you have the app open, look for the account icon and tap it. This is usually located at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your device. This section is where you manage your personal information and settings within the app. Next, you'll want to tap on Payment Methods. This is an important step because it directs you to where you can manage how you pay for your rides or food orders. The Payment Methods section is crucial because it ensures that your preferred payment option is on hand whenever you need it. From there, you'll see an option that says All Payment Method. Tap on this to view a full list of payment options available to you. This step broadens your payment choices and lets you control which method is most convenient at any given time. Now, look for the option labeled GCash and select it. GCash is a popular e-wallet in the Philippines, and linking it to Grab can simplify your transactions. By selecting GCash, you're preparing to integrate this service with your Grab account, which can save you time in future transactions. After selecting GCash, you will see an option to toggle on Set as Default. By doing this, you ensure that GCash becomes your primary payment method for all Grab transactions. This is especially useful if you frequently use GCash for payments, as it streamlines the process, eliminating the need to select it each time manually. An important note to remember is that upon placing an order, GCash will prompt you to enter a one-time password or OTP sent by GCash. This security feature is vital because it protects your account from unauthorized access. Make sure you have access to the mobile number linked to your GCash account to receive this OTP. Once you receive the OTP, enter it promptly and tap Authorize or Link on your screen. This action verifies your identity and confirms your intention to link GCash to your Grab account. You can think of this as the final handshake between the two services. Now you'll need to wait for a brief moment until you see the Link Successful message. This confirmation tells you that the process is complete and that your accounts are now linked. You can now enjoy the convenience of using GCash as your payment method on Grab. With that ready, you've successfully linked your GCash to your Grab account. This integration not only saves you time, but also adds a layer of convenience to your daily transactions. Whenever you're ready to book a ride or order food, GCash is just a tap away. Thanks for watching, and happy traveling with Grab.